welcome to KUNGFU.LIFE YouTube channel. I'm Shifu Yan Xin. Today I'm going to share with you the Shaolin Rou Quan. I'm going to pick up the one smaller section movement which is very represent this Rou Quan style to with you. Okay, so why we call this form called the Shaolin Rou Quan? Shaolin is the name of a style. Rou Quan is the form. Rou means is soft or fluid. Quan is the form. So this form basically is part of a Qigong form, but at the same time a little bit different comparing with other Qigong form, such as the 八段锦 or the 易筋经. So all this movement is more concentrated for stretching and breathing, but this Rou Quan is comparing the softness and with the strengthening or explosive power, comparing together. We say this kind of like a water and a fire. Most percentage of this Rou Quan is water through your body, and at the same time, in this form in particular, you can see it's more is explosive power. That's training our body or our mind can control and flow at the same time. It's a fire flow, fire flow, fire flow. It's like this. We want to be training ourselves that control our mind or body or chi the fluids. That's this all form about. So I quickly share with you this we're going to explore in this tutorial. Yes. This is the movement we're going to learn in this video. So inside here, I want you to have more explosive power, which you, as you see, is like this. Suddenly hold your chi as a fire, explode. And after explode, you have to able to control yourself, not only physically and mentally, suddenly soft. And to complete this movement. So use this movement as meditation to training ourselves. Space your legs, slightly bend your knees, keep spine straight, and hands dropping down, relax. First movement, you go to move the hands together, right hands on the top, and moving outside, use explosive power. After this one, you come back to your chest and push out explosive power. After this one, we're going to suddenly soft, move to the side, close your right leg at the same time, and fluid to the left side. And then you continue the last one, go to the right side. Keep the hands on the side, on the top, with the eyebrow area similar level, and bring your knee up. This is very difficult. And then you're dropping down, landing, move the arm forward. Here is next movement. Exchange the hands, bring the hands back to the top of your head, same time, up, push the hands. Okay, now we do one more time, then I try to explain how you're going to breathe. First stand here, split, hands comfortable. Hands close across, use inhale. Now, before you go out, use exhale, use the breath, drop down your tummy, suddenly form your arm, your shoulder, your abs, like this. The same time your body shaking down. After this, very quickly, inhale to your lungs, exhale, push it down. That's the fast way. And suddenly soft, move the side. Inhale, left hands, right hands, all the face outside. Then exhale, move the side. Yeah, face keep on. Then change this side, inhale and again. The same time, see my body shift, my body weight on the leg, and use the rooted stance, 金鸡独立 up. Control, and dropping down, move, exhale. Change the arm, go to the shoulder area. Here, these hands go up, When your wrist stands up again, use the inhale. Keep move the hands up, push the hands out at the same time. That's the one. Okay, so more detail for this hands work. See, this hands work, you start from here. In, hands up, preparation. Exhale, rolling arm out, suddenly stop. And then inhale, up. Exhale, he. Move to the side, inhale. Exhale, and inhale again. Check out your body, shift your body weight to the side. At the same time is up to the roost stance. And then exhale, dropping down, transition the time. Look at my stance. Arm keep moving. Here, inhale is moving up. Slowly transition. This inhale is bring whole energy to the upper body. It kind of feels like a flying. And then next movement. So this is really testing how control your energy, the internal energy traveling. Sometimes must be fast, sometimes must be fluid. Okay. Some of the stance movement I quickly share with you here. Check my stance. Start from here. Hip sink, knee sink, drop down. Inhale, bring whole body weight up. Exhale, whole body dropping down. Stop there. Let your body, all the power out. And then up your heel a little bit again. Inhale. Don't see my heel very much, just a little bit. And suddenly dropping your weight. A sky down like this. Then check your, see my leg? Like the whole stance, move to the right, half knee, bend knee, and the same level to the side. And change the hands, go to there, bring them up. Roost the stance. And bend, moving, nicely transition your body weight. Look at my leg, it's transition time, my heel, then you up. Hands can open, more constant on the body. That's it, that's the hands. Of course, more you practice, you more find the benefit from this movement. So that is the Shaolin Rou Quan. Okay, before I go, I will quickly to lead you from my freestyle way, so make you easy follow it. So we face this swing, dropping down. Follow me together, so inhale, cross the hands, exhale, hey. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale, inhale, up. Then exhale, dropping down, transition your body weight, and inhale, nice, easy, and relax. So when you start with, you can a little bit slowly, rather than to let this explosive power to drive you crazy. When you do the safe power, you can be separate, like inhale, hey, and then inhale, hey, then inhale, exhale. So slowly build up. In the end of the day, then you build up like this, quickly, like inhale. It's like a music. You can ba ba ba. You can sa 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 sa. This feelings. Okay, so this is the part of the Shaolin Rou Quan movement. In the next month, in the April, we're going to running a live streaming seminar for this whole form Rou Quan. If you want more details, you learn whole form, then more than welcome join me. Otherwise, you can training this area the movement, this small sequence, and comparing with other Qigong form together as a routine for yourself. It's all can benefit for you. Okay, I hope you enjoy this the Qigong form and get more benefit from training this movement. Thank you very much. Take care of yourself. I'm looking forward to see you in the training. Take care. Thank you.